Hello, welcome to Ciclomania's online tutorial, and today is my pleasure to walk you through the process of making your do-it-yourself doll, and I hope you enjoy it. So when you purchase your do-it-yourself kit for making the doll, you notice that you have two instructions. One is with the end product, how the doll will look like, and then all the pieces. So today we're gonna walk you through the process how to put it together, and beside all the material that comes into your package, I will ask you to have at hand also few materials like common white glue, and also if you have a small brush just to glue and to put the pieces together, it's also very handy to have, as well as some clips. This helps you also to hold the craft together while you do other stuff. So if you notice, each of the pieces has a letter, and I recommend you to do the same with your pieces. So I just mark and I just put all the letters, so it's easier to walk you through the process as well. And imagine that this is like a puzzle. You put each of your pieces, you get familiar with it, and then you put the letters. So we start with the A, and A glues with B, so this will be these two pieces, and we're gonna put it together. And I mentioned that it will be good if you have a brush. Why? Because it's easier, so you don't put all your glue in the fingers, so it's easier and faster, especially when you are putting together a craft that has so many pieces like this. This is a little bit more complicated than the previous craft that I have also here in the YouTube channel. So this will be level 2 in level of difficulty. So these are the clips that I was saying that are so important to have also handy. It helps you to hold while you can put together other pieces. So A and B, I already put it. So then we have also these three, actually you have 6 of these, E. I already put three together. I will ask you to do the same with the other 3. Meanwhile, the other pieces are drying. So E are ready, and these two actually goes in the piece that is, the name is D. So I don't know if you notice this little folding here. So these are gonna be holding our the arms of the doll. So in order for the doll to open, we need to have these E glue on the sides. So it, well actually, let's use a brush. You put and you press. Make sure that it's very... And also try to make sure that it's uniform. We talked in our previous videos that it's so important to keep the symmetry, right? We want our craft to look nice and symmetric, which is the principle of the technique that we are learning here. So it should look like this. And then where we're gonna glue, I think at this point is all ready, so we're gonna remove our clips. And then we're gonna put the face. So the face is H, so we're just gonna glue our circle H here. And again, make sure that it's aligned, so you want your head to look a little bit symmetric as well and aligned with the whole body. Like this. And then when you open the arms, you actually notice that it has a heart. So we put the lovely heart to our doll. press to make sure it's all together. I'm not using clips here because it's too thick now, but you just press a little bit to make sure that it's actually completely glued. Now we're going to work on the back of your doll. So in the back of the doll, we have the hair first and then the back. So the hair will be your piece C. So you glue C. Make sure that you distribute the glue in the whole piece. And again, because it's too thick, you just need to press and make sure that it's aligned with the head. And then press like this. And then the back. So the back will be this, but we want actually to put the glue just on the space that is for D. So we don't want to put at this point glue on the piece E. So just in the middle, like this. Then we're gonna put it like this. Make sure that it's exactly under the hair, and you turn it and, oh, sorry, so you're able to see the E. So make sure that it's under the hair and align with the heart and with the whole body. So you just press in the heart and make sure that it's all glue. And also make sure that you press slightly the E and it still folds. We want this to continue move because it's where the arms are gonna be glued, like this. So F and G will be here. So we just put a little bit of glue on one side. You press and then you do the same on the other side. Like this. And then again, you can just press and make sure that you press all together and that the arms actually open to show your heart, like this, okay? And let's go back to our head. So the head we still need to complete the hair. So we have piece I. So you put the glue, distribute the glue, then put it on top. So it's actually what we see here. And then the last little decoration to our girl. So we put the bow here, which is piece J. So finally, we have these three last pieces, which is the flower. So you just put on top of M and like this, your flower. Here you can use the clip. It's just not too thick, just for a few seconds. And then you put just a little bit of glue on top of L, like this. And then flower should be almost done. Then, actually, if it's not too thick, you can actually leave it like this for a few seconds. And that's it. Always try to just press and make sure that all the pieces are glued together. And then you open one of the arms with the finger and then press like this, and that's it. Oops, this can happen, don't worry. The good thing about cardboard is that you can always put glue and just put it together, so that is an indication that we didn't wait enough time. So just make sure that you press all the pieces, and this is your doll. and how it should look like at the end. Well, I hope you enjoy putting together your doll, and in the future I will have also an online tutorial for painting. And for now, I will really appreciate your comments and feedback, and thank you so much for watching.